Alright, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation, save your roof, save your money. Hi there. It's October 18th, just finished up with the job of rejuvenating another roof. Sorry I'm so close, apologize. I'm just going to take a walk around, take a look at the roof. On the home, it's dry. Let me flip it around. Nice and dry. You can look over at the garage and see that it's still drying. Looks real nice though. Nice and rich color. Gluing those granulars, which are the protective coating of the roof, down so they're not shedding excessively like they were before. Reactivating that tar strip, putting a nice watertight seal so the water sheds from the roof like it's supposed to. But really the key is that we're putting the pliability back in the shingles. And when you put the pliability back in the shingles, they're able to expand and contract like brand new shingles. And that's really what we're trying to do. The other benefit of this is that we're turning around, there it goes, still drying, and we're killing the black algae that's on the roof. And that black algae is smothered, it's being killed, and it's going to be gently washed away with the rain, so your roof looks like new. So not only do you get a newer looking roof, but you get a conditioned roof that acts like newer shingles. Using sodium hypochlorite to clean the roof first will further deplete the shingles of the asphalt oils. So I do not recommend that at all, unless you're going to condition the roof right away after that. If you're just going to wash it with sodium hypochlorite, yeah, you're causing damage to your shingles. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it, especially an aged roof. So always condition the shingles, but just to save money and peace of mind, just use the greener shingle product, because that kills the black algae. And then over time, we're saying within 6 to 12 months, it'll wash completely clean, so your roof will look cleaner, newer, and not all streaked with black algae. But that pliability is back in the shingles, so it expands and contracts, puts a nice tackiness in the shingles, so you can absorb those impacts. Reactivates that tar strip, like I said earlier, against wind damage. Again, garage is slowly drying. But that's basically what the product is. It's a fountain of youth for your asphalt shingles, and saves you a ton of money, thousands and thousands of dollars. So we appreciate you watching the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. I'll answer them. And like it, hit the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then I gotta go because we got another job to do. But I'll talk to you later. This is Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. All right, bye-bye.